Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened here 4,520. So we expected crude oil to stay in buying. So right after the opening, the price tried to clear 4,550s, resulted in a failure, so the price came down again to test 4,490s and continued its buying to reach 4,570 near 80s and close near 4,573. Today it's expected to open somewhere within 4,570 and 4,560. So there is no change in our strategy. Still you can expect crude oil to stay in buying. We think that now it's time for us to decrease the stop loss. You can go for buying till 4,460 by placing stop loss near 4,450. And let's see whether the price can hit various resistance marked as various targets. So thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.